Hi, this is Izzy Pro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add friends in Roblox. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. It's likely that if you've been playing multiple games in Roblox, that you found someone that is friendly and worth playing with more often. Not worry, Roblox enable players to add multiple friends and if needed, remove them too. This is a great way of having a social list of people you like to play with and ability to shorten your friend list if needed. So how to do it? It's very simple. If you want to add friends on your Roblox, you can just open your Roblox, of course, here, and on your home, you'll find there is an option invite friends, like this icon. You can just click on that. You can invite friends by the QR code, okay, or you can just search by their name, like this. You can search for the your friends that you want to add, like maybe this one. You can just click on the plus icon in here to add them to your friend. Now you just need to wait until this account accept your friend request. You can also share your QR code to your maybe your social media or your friends to so they can add you on Roblox. You can just copy your QR code and share it with your friends. It's very simple, right? So that is how to add friends on Roblox. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!